The Seraphim want to share this message with you today. When you surround yourself with love, old habits, fear and loathing, and unworthiness melt away. When you focus on divine love with the Seraphim, you can feel it, as they are this gateway to love. There is no one like you. You are simply unique. And it is love that creates the seed where your acceptance grows and blooms. Beloved, find us in love. Believe in love. It is all about faith. Faith is a feeling, a knowing, a state of being. We bring you the experience of love, and within this love you will find the divine. You are part of us, a part so magnificent and glorious that in your limitations you cannot see it. For it is far above anything you could imagine or understand. You can see the galaxies, the planets and the stars, and you marvel at their brilliance, their vastness and their splendor. But each one of you is far more brilliant, glorious and splendid than the entire galaxies combined. We know that this is difficult for you to recognize and believe, so we say, just feel the love we have for you. Feel our union. For it is our love together that expands the universe. We come to you as a feeling, the feeling of love. When you are sad and feel misguided, misunderstood, and alone, call for us. We are here. Just listen. Listen with your heart, your feelings, your emotions, and allow the love to grow from within. For that is where we are found, within your heart. We rest in your heart, in loving devotion to Seraphim.